Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator. Uh, as you can see here, not much for me to say today. The market is kind of goes sideways after they run up last week to the top, and then now they yet ripping down slowly to the downside. So the market is not really bear or bull. The bull and the bear they try to fight in each other. But you can see here after the run up, the market is coming down, they push it back up, they coming down, they push it back, coming down in a little bit in the downside. They try to make a flag formation here, so they try to build a case for um, uh, the correction right now. And after that, after they're done here, and definitely it looked like they would try to find a way to go up and then try to fill up the gap on the daily chart and the SBY, as you can see here. So right now they come down, they put back up, and then they still hang around here. And let's see how long they will stay in this area here before they can get back and try to come back and fill up the gap that they dropped down here. So you can see here in the short term, the market is ripping down a little bit, but they have a strong support at this level also. And if you are a day trader, you'll be able to trade. As you can see in our live trading room this morning, we guide everybody that the market is going down from 6:30 when the market opened down to 7:30, and after that the market is found a support, and then they bounce back up, they break a down trend line, they pull back, retest, and then from there they shoot it back up right into the sell zone that they built in yesterday, and then they hit a downtrend line, and then you can take a quick trade right here and done for the day. So the total net profit for today is $3,584 for June 17, and so. And if you look at a lot of stock, after they run up from yesterday, Tesla still hold up very well. American Airlines, they uh, go, they gap up and then they pull back, they retest. So technically, they still hold up there. Not no sign of going down. So they as long as they still hold there, they will find a way to go up again. And a lot of stock that airline, Boeing, they do the same thing. They go up, they pull back here, so they still hold very well at the level support here. So they gap up, they pull back down, they retest. As long as they stuck in there tomorrow. If they until the tomorrow, if they come up with a bullet signal, then they'll tell you they will continue to find a way to crawl back up. Okay, so right now all the stock that just follow the index. If the index it goes sideways, definitely it's a lot of stock that still follow them and go sideways until they get out of the flag formation there, and we can see where they go. All right, so that's all I have for you today, and let's see when the market open tomorrow where they're heading to, and then we will notify you and let you know. If you like what I'm doing here for you, please check out and sign up for our YouTube channel. Without you, we don't have any audience. So if you like it, please sign up for our YouTube. So every time we have a new video, we will post it and let you know, and give me a thumb up. And I think that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.